Hi there, if you want to fix shutter delay on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you're facing like this shutter delay on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and you want to fix this problem, so here's a quick tutorial for you. First, if you are on night mode or you are in interface where always all the obstacles are in darkness, then you can capture photo with the night mode. But if you want to capture on night mode, then you have to hold your phone for a certain time to capture all the obstacles that are around you perfectly with a perfect light that can be visible perfectly. So right now you can see my camera is now totally dark. That means it has detected the night mode here, and this is the night mode icon. If you found this icon here like this, then tap on it, this, and here you can see the night shot is off, and if you turn on it, then it will delay the shutter time, and if you turn it off, it will take the photo quickly as soon as you click on the shutter. And if it's turned on when you are on the light surface, then you can find that the night mode has just vanished here. Just it has automatically turned off the night mode. You can just tap on it. Now it will take the photo. So that's the solution. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.